Wherever there's an empty space, things will gather. So, the trailer that we're thinking about is aluminum, 5.5 by 10 foot. It feels like a good size, like not too crazy big, but so shiny. Yeah, that one works. Yep.
Right.
Okay, ready to do a drive home now. Hopefully everything will go well.
Oh!
Like a little camper on it.
Yep.
This would be a good size one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at this.
And here I've got some boxes with a timber and suspension. So perhaps would be a good time to open those. So this is the suspension that I really wanted to get, so that this camper will be off-road worthy. Okay, that's so heavy. Ugh. I've never installed the suspension system, so I'm not quite sure what, half of this stuff is. But I'll figure it out. So this is timber and axle-less suspension, which means there's not going to be like a bar underneath, which it currently is. So there'll be more clearance for going off-road, rocks, potholes, that kind of thing. And obviously this trailer comes with a suspension already, so you don't need to do anything with it. But I do want this to be off-road capable, a bit more like durable and able to handle more difficult terrain. So this suspension should be a lot better than the standard stuff here. It's kind of funny because I know that the scale of this project is really big, but it's like when you get your hands on these products that you realize just how hefty and large everything is. Okay, so a little bit about this trailer here. This is a 5.5 by 10 foot aluminum trailer. Picked this up at Tractor Supply. I was kind of debating about which trailer to get. Was thinking about various options, whether to get somebody to custom build one, go with the steel. Then I found this, and I really like the idea of aluminum because it is so much lighter, and I like this size primarily. I haven't done this kind of work before, so this is really new, which is really kind of exciting, a little bit scary, but really fun. But the idea is to turn this into a small camper teardrop style project. This is what's going to be this next year's project. Lots of stuff to do about this one. So now I can start kind of visualizing the fit and the heights, and the next step is to get some tires and some wheels. Obviously this trailer also comes with tires. These are ST 15-inch, like standard trailer tires. So we're gonna get something basic off-road, maybe like 31-inch mud treads, something like that. This whole trailer is gonna be risen up a bit higher. But this is the first step, getting the trailer. And yeah, next step here, I'm gonna remove these boards and make a plan for moving forward, installing this axle-less suspension, getting wheels, tires, start welding aluminum, take off this gate in the back, take off this kind of railing on here, and then also save a lot of these bars to possibly use for reinforcement. I'll see more once I remove this wood here and see kind of what needs to be done here. And yeah, move from there, see how it goes. So stay tuned for the next video when I'm going to start tearing this apart and get started on building this thing. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.